thought someone needed to write a song. Thank you. I spent most of my childhood and adult years wandering the canals. And I've always fancied a boat of my own, so I thought I'd do the practical thing and write a song about it, and hope that it happens one day. It's called A Boat on the River, though technically it's about a boat on the canal, but that's called Poetic License. This city's not home, though it knows me well. It's cradled me close for some time. But when I'm alone and the traffic stops beating, I can't get the thought from my mind. Am I just lost? Could I be lonely? Is it just the rain we've had so much of lately? Or is it just that this city's been bringing me down? Ooh. All that I want is a boat on a river and someone to hold, and time to deliver me until I'm old. I'll go where the current takes me. And all that I want is to live slow and easy, one day at a time, is enough speed to please me. The dog by the door and someone to sing me to sleep. Sing me to sleep. The blue lights fly by with their siren song, the calls to me all through the night. This city won't sleep, but I'm trying to keep hold of a dream that stays just out of sight. To rise with the dawn and live by the seasons, to accept that things change without asking for reasons, to sleep like a baby, to love and be loved in return. Ooh. All that I want is a boat on a river and someone to hold, and time to deliver me until I'm old. I'll go where the current takes me. And all that I want is a soft breeze to blow me the sky above, and the water below me, to find a horizon, stay till I'm nothing at all. Cause all that I want is to live slow and easy, one day at a time, is enough speed to please me. The dog by the door and someone